you are like me and you are interested in healing yourself and others, I invite you to the course which I will present in Circles of Wisdom in Mattawan, Massachusetts. It's an online course, so whenever you're located, you can join us. We will build first the common ground to understand what healing is about and why therapeutic pendulums are needed to do effective work. And then over the weekend, we will go deeper into understanding what healing is and how to heal, and then higher into our ability to heal people. If you think that healing is your calling in life, please join us, and it will be my pleasure to work with you on increasing your healing abilities.